Assalamualaikum everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to show how to create using HTML CSS product card like this. So you can see today I'm going to show to you how to create this type of card. So let's get started. At first I need to do create a folder. So anywhere you can create folder. So I can create folder on my desk and then open this folder and create HTML file and CSS file. So I'm creating, and then now I need to create CSS file, and then I need to open this folder in a text editor. So I will use in this today I will use Atom text editor, and then I close this previous project, and then I open this folder in this browser. Just give me a second, just click and move here, and then you can see our folder in a I have opened in a text editor. Now I need to give HTML basic structure. Just give me a moment. SMPIL is simple pre-arrow. We need to I put a title like this: product, PODROCT, product, DOCT product, card, CARD card, and then under the head we need to give body tag, and we need to connect our HTML file with CSS file. So now I'm connecting link real style sheet, relation of style sheet, and then href this file name style.css, and then we'll open this HTML file in a browser. So here is blank. So at first I need to check is CSS file working, and am I connected successfully CSS file. So that's why I am here. Type body and then say background red. So you can see background has red. So now our CSS file has connected with CSS file. So at first I create a div, and then give a class that name card, and then CSS file we say always padding padding 0, and then margin 0. After that we need to give a background color like this here, black. So by body, and then BACKGROUND background, BLACK black, and display DISPLAY display, FLEX flags, and and justify JUS TIFI justify, content center, and then align items center. And now I reload this black, and then now card 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 will say, I need to say position relative, and here body, in body we need to say height 100 VAs, and here we need to say height width this card. So width with 320 pixel and height 420 pixel, and background. So to take background color, I will open a website. Just a moment, I will give you this website link in this video description link. So just a moment. Here icon, where is icon folder, and here, and then open this website flatycolor.com, and then I will open this and then copy this color, and I will give here, I'm giving here, and then reload. You can see here I have a div, so I am giving this div back border radius this pixel, and it is radius, it's look like good. And then we need to create this card before, so BEFORE before, and then we need to create before. So in this before we need to give content blank, and then position position absolute absolute, and then we need to give height width 100%, width 100%, and then background red, and then I will change this color after some time, so don't worry. And then height width, and then height width, and then top -50, and top -50, and overflow hidden, and hidden. So and reload, you can see this color, so I have some mistake, just see. Overflow hidden, and hidden, and now it is not working, so that's why. Where is problem? Just a minute to look. position POSITI on position ABS LUT absolute height width background overflow hidden. So we need to give overflow hidden, not here. We need to give a card, that's why it is problem. So overflow SIWEN hidden. Now problem will fixed, you can see, and top 50 minus 50 pixel, but it is not look like good. So that's why I need to like left 0 and then position absolute height width minus 50. Just a second, where is problem? I need to look why it is not working. Oh yes, here minus 50%, not 50 pixel. Now it is working well, and we need to give TRANS FORM from transform skew skew y 3045 degree, so 3045 DEZ, and then now it is look like here. So we need to change this background color, we don't want to this color, so that's why I'm expert and come here, and then you can see here color, I click and then select this color, look like. So I am copy this color code and then paste here, where is here, and then reload, you can see this color, and then we'll create, copy this name and paste here. We'll say when I hover card, so here hover, then you will be we need to give card after okay, just a minute, we need to give card after transition TRANSITI transition 0.5s. so maybe I can mistake this, so I write again TRANSITI transition. Oh, here mistake, here need to close this line, and then now TRANSITI transition, now it will work. And I need to give I copy this those are CSS, and then here I say when I hover CS a card, and then it will be 70% off, and then background color I will change, background color I want to change like this. So expect, and then cut before, and then I need to take background color code, so that's why I'm click here and then copy this code and then paste here, and then I need to say here 3090 degree, and then now you can see look like that. Okay, so it's crazy. And then we need to give this, I need to give this image, we need to input this image in my HTML file. So here I have come HTML file and then create a div for a image, and then class name card image, and we need to input a image tag, image HTML tag, image src source and alternative. And then now I need to copy this image in this folder, so that's why I'm create a folder image, and then I'm copy other before folder, and then copy and paste here. And now I will say here src, I will say here at first you need to go image, and then you search this image image name 1.png, and then reload. You can see a image, so we need to CSS, we need to give some CSS, and then it will be look like this. Okay, image, and then image, my card image. Here I can see card image div, maybe it will be good this name, that's why this. And we'll say here position, I'm saying here some CSS like at first position relative, and then display position relative. You can see it has come font. So now I will say display flags, display flex flags, oh sorry, flags, and then justify content center, and justify content center, and align items center, and reload. You can see it's look like a good after then. And now we need to do hover effect, so we say, and we need to work image, so that's why I copy and here, and at first we need to give at the card class, after that card image div, after that image, and then same things I will say here, display flags, justify content center, and then now have any problem. So now when I card hover, then this image, here we need to say width and height, so here I give wid this width 100%, and then HIGST height 100%, and I'm copying with height and then paste here. And then now we can see like that, but it is not look like good. I don't want to give width, so maybe it will be good. And now its size very big, so we need to give width, height, height maybe we don't need to give maybe a height, but we can give width. Now it is good, but width we need to also give here this file, and then it is look like here, and it's alright. And now I will effect this. When I car hover, it will be 50%, and then now reload. You can see it is it is going to small, but it is not look like good, because uh, here like this, and then that's why you can see it is work slowly, but it is not slowly. So that's why we need to give here transition 0.5s, and then now it will be good, look like good. Now it's look like good. And then now we need to create, oh sorry, why okay, no problem, just my mistake. Okay, now it is good working. And then now we need to create this card before, not before. Now I need to create after, and content here I need to give some text, right? PASILLIPS, and close this line. And then we need to say position, 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 RELATIVE, relative, and sorry, don't relative, absolute. We need to give absolute position, absolute, and then with 100%, height 100%, and we need to give font size, and we need to give left 0, BOTTOM bottom 0, and font F1 font, WEIGST width, BOLD bold, font width bold, and font size SIZ is size 6 rem, and then we can reload. You can see text here. So we need to give bottom 0, but it is not working well, so that's why we can give minus 50, so it will be down. So 100%, minus 100%, and then maybe it will be, oh no, it's not showing. So we need to give position absolute, so left 0, and then bottom 0. It should work, but why it is not working, I don't know. So I don't need to give maybe height here. Now it under, so I will need to give this opacity or color radius. We can give anything, so I give opacity, OPACITY, opacity 0.1, and then you can see it is look like that. Okay, so now we need to create content div. This content is going to be like this product, this card going to be like this. Okay, so now I will go on CSS and then create a div under image div, and then take a class that will help we customize. So we give here content box and here I will give at first is h3 and h3, and then we need to put here this text wireless headphone. So now wireless headphone, and then this under title, under the title we need to give s2 to show price. So now I need to type dollar symbol from keyboard, and then we need type 44, and then we need to give a tag that name is small, and then here I type at first dot 99, and then under the price we will give a anchor tag. We need to give a anchor tag to show button. We'll give here hash, and then here we need to text here by now, and then if I reload, you can see text. So we'll customize this text. So now at first we need to copy this class name and then come here, and under these are CSS file text, and then we need to give here at first card, and then this class will say this copy again, and then we'll say here at first we need to say display flags, justify content center, justify content center, and align items center, and flags flags, direction direction, column column, column. So it will look like, just give me just a second, but it is not working, it's not center. So that's why we need to take, here I have mistaked, so here need to put a dot because it is a class name. So now it is center, and then we need to give a padding top when it is when card hover, this text will be go under the background. So that's why we need to put here position relative, relative, and in z index 1, and now reload. It's not go under the color, but I don't want to, but we don't want this color, this text going on the background color. It's need to have it's need to put under the background. So that's why I will put when card hover, and here I will say hover, when card hover, then this class name dot, and then when it will give padding top or margin top 30 pixel, and then now it is fine, but now we need to give 40 pixel. Then now it is not good, but I will create good. I'm trying to good. So okay, and then now we copy this class name and select h2, h3 and then a, and we need to say here text trans form from text transform form from text transform UPPERCAC uppercase, and text in a font weight 600, and then text and then letter spacing LETTER letter SPACING spacing 1 pixel, and then now reload this, and then now we need to put text decoration none, text decoration text DECOR I write again decoration DECORATION decoration, but decoration banan maybe I mistake, so decoration DECORATION decoration. Now it will work, and then we put color FFF, it will white. Now it white, and then here this text look like good because here I have used Google font, so that's why we need to go Google font, and here just see what font I use, Roboto font, so that's why here I search. Look, this is Roboto font, click here and then select all the width, and then here click here to copy CSS URL, and then we put font, we put up CSS in the CSS file above the CSS file, and then now we need to give body font family. So I need to copy this font family name and put here body, so this font will be changed. Now you can see this font will be changed, and then now I want when I card back when this card hover, this text not go there. I want it's have under, so that's why I need to go CSS file under, and then we will say when card hover, we need to copy this, and then when maybe I have said when card hover, so when card hover top 70 pixel, and then reload. Maybe it is not good, so give 40 pixel, and then we need to give here padding 40 pixel and reload, and then now it's not like this. So maybe I have some mistake. So hmm, it's not like animated. So maybe we need to give here a transition 0.5s, and now it is good. And now we can give here 70 pixel, and then now it is working well. And then we need to give line height that it will be good. So here I will say line height 10 pixel, and then we need to give more, and then it will be good. It will be good. Okay, 36 pixel. Copy this text, and we need to give style.css 87 number line 87. You can see 87, and then put here. Then we need to give design this button. So copy this, and then anchor tag, and then we need to give a background color. I want to give this color, so we need to copy this color. So that's why I go before and then click here and then copy, and then we need to give padding. So I reload. You can see button I am expecting here, and then you can see button, and then I will put here padding like 10 pixel and 10 pixel, and will with some, now maybe it's 10 pixel. After that it's 25 pixel, and then border radius, border radius radius, border radius 20 pixel, 30, 35, and then now it's look like good. We need to copy this text, and we have to put style.css 95 number line here, and now reload. And then I will say this button your margin top 20 pixel, and then it's going to down, so not 20, 30 pixel, and then now it will down 30, 50, maybe it will be good. Okay, it will be good. And then now I will say here, and then I will say here opacity 0, and then it is not showing now. So now I will give a hover. When card hover, then this anchor button margin 0 will be margin 0, and then opacity 1. Now we need to give here a transition that it will be look like good. Transition 0.5s, and then now look, and then now you can see it is like that. But here when I hover this button, this color will be changed like this background. So now it if I do this, and then we need to copy this color, and then we need to change this color text. So I copy this color, that's why I come here and click here, and then I want to copy this color. Here click and then copy, and then a hover button, this color background, this color will be. So now reload this, and then now, so it's already this color, so we need to do this color. That's why it is a mistake. So I copy this. When hover this anchor tag, then now this background will be. Reload, and then now look like that. So I hope you can understand how to make this type of card. So see you again next other video. Thank you so much for watching this video.